What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be working with NadulaHair. I was sent this blonde this blonde highlight wig. It's been a while since I've done curls, so I had to go ahead and throw some curls in my hair and not do the typical straight look. So I didn't want to do the typical straight look. I had to go ahead and glam it up. No, I'm talking to the camera. I didn't want to do the typical straight look. I had to glam it up and throw some curls in my hair, y'all. And in this video, I purposely didn't bleach nor pluck the knots, so you guys can see, like, if you receive this same wig, you honestly won't have to do anything. All I did was throw makeup, not even makeup. I sprayed lace tint on the lace, and I'm gonna add my makeup right here just to define my part a little bit. But literally, y'all, this is all. I didn't pluck nothing. I didn't I didn't bleach the lace, so you guys can see this is how it's looking. So once you get this wig, because I always get a lot of comments like, oh, my wig didn't look like that. Like, I bleach my knots, I pluck my knots, and I pluck my lace and do all that extra stuff. So of course when you receive a wig, it's not going to look the same as mine, because I went and did all the extra steps that was needed. But in this case, in this video, I literally took the hair out the box and installed. Literally, I installed the hair. So you won't have to really do much, but add your makeup on the lace, just so it could blend for me, because you didn't bleach the knots. But if you know how to bleach your knots, you can go ahead and bleach your knots. If you know how to pluck your lace, you can go ahead and pluck your lace. But if you don't, this is the easy way. And yeah, y'all, you guys already know how I feel about Nadula. The hair is silky freaking soft. I love Nadula hair. Curls popping. The curls always stay with Nadula hair. Like, I'm surprised it didn't drop yet from me touching it so much. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Bye.